First time making Caesar salad dressing. I mashed up with my side of my knife. I minced some garlic really fine, and then I mashed it with a can of anchovies that I rinsed off, and then I put 2 eggs in here. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to add just a touch of balsamic vinegar, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard, I'm going to blend that up and then I'll come back with you. I also added about a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of garlic powder, even though I have that other in there. Now we're going to slowly start drizzling some olive oil. So for the smashed chicken tortilla wraps, we're making Caesar wraps. I have some ground chicken. I have about a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and juice of half a lemon. And then I'm using Cavender's Greek seasoning that I'm going to put in there. I'm going to mix all this up and then I'll show you what we do out on the griddle. I'm also pickling some red onions. I just put like 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, pepper, garlic, and also some water. And I'm just going to let these set until the sandwiches are ready. Got the griddle going really hot. I'm going to put some olive oil down, spread it around. Smoking hot. I'm thinking I'll probably only do 2 at a time, because first 2 I'm going to just test because I have not made this before. So I'm going to lay the tortillas out here. I'm going to put a chicken ball right in the middle. And I'm going to wash my hands later. And then we're just going to smash that chicken right on top of that tortilla. So it covers it pretty much all the way. Pretty thin because you want it to cook quick, and it's going to do most of the cooking from the other side. Got all that seasoning in there, the lemon juice. I'm going to let that heat up on this side. Don't want the tortilla too stiff so it will still hold when it's done. It's going to go pretty quickly, I have a feeling. Definitely wanting to get done because it is chicken. I'm going to put a little more olive oil on this side. I'm going to flip it, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you're going to be good. I can already tell. And these are just going to fold in half, and those are going to be our sandwiches. Alright, I am going to make one of these up for my mom. My kitchen's a mess from the cooking. So we take the grilled chicken shell, and I'm going to put a little feta cheese on there. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Gonna make some romaine lettuce. I should have chopped this up, I didn't. So it's in little smaller pieces for the sandwich. Then I pickled these onions. So I'm going to put a few pickled onions on there. Give it some tang. Some Parmesan cheese. Quite that much. Some sliced cherry tomatoes. Some sliced mini cucumbers. I probably should have marinated these too, but I didn't. That's all right. And then we made that Caesar dressing. Oh, it looks so good. I had some people taste it. It tastes good. Fold it up. And there it is. I might put the Parmesan cheese on top instead of inside to make it pretty. But that is the sandwich. How is it, Noah?
Delicious.